to the channel. This is a channel that's ordinarily dedicated to Jeeps and everything that is Jeep. But in today's video, we're gonna cover a topic that's pretty generic. How to field repair a tire that's popped off its bead.
So you've aired your tires down, quite possibly a bit too far, and you're all set for either your summer or a snowy winter adventure.
Now we're doing this is a real scenario. This isn't just some made-up scenario. You know, I was wheeling in the Ghost public land use zone, and one of our participants, yeah, I mean, let's call a spade a spade. He was doing some dumb shit.
Doing donuts on aired down tires? It can be risky. In this case, the passenger front side tire let go.
So in this video, you're gonna see exactly what to do if this happens to you.
So we've all seen those YouTube videos involving fire and a big boom. They all seem to end the same way. Someone loses their eyebrows and then they scream like a little girl. Fortunately, there is a way to do this procedure without screaming like a little girl or blowing your eyebrows clean off. And as you saw, we're doing this with minimal tools and in 3 pretty simple, non-explosive steps.
Is that too tall?
The first thing you'll need to do is get the weight off the tire that has slipped off its bead. Be sure to get as good a seal as you can by applying lateral pressure to the tire and fill up the tire as you normally would. Once it's partially inflated, step back and let the compressor do its job. Eventually, you will hear a pop. This is likely more difficult in the winter as snow and ice can interfere with the seal. If you do hear a leak due to ice buildup, just heat the area around the bead with a torch until the leak stops. Continue to inflate the tires to your desired pressure. For a conventional rim, 15 psi is pretty much as low as you should ever go. To me, this method just seems a lot more sensical, and at the very least, you get to keep your eyebrows, all your fingers, and you're never caught screaming like a little girl on YouTube. So something like this does happen to you out in the field, it's a really good idea to take your tire into a shop when you get home. Because there is a slight possibility that the rim could spin inside the tire given that there's only one bead holding it all together. So again, definitely take your tire to a shop and just have them make sure the balance is good and that the bead is for sure properly seated. My friend Cohen was having a bit of a rough day. Earlier, he blew a shock apart.
So definitely a lot faster the second time.
And when we were nearing the end of our trip, we saw a Toyota with some front end issues.
What a fucking legend.
Breakdowns happen, you know, be it a tie rod coming off like Buddy's Toyota back there, or, you know, like Cohen's tire. Even on a trail as simple as the TransAlta trail, shit happens. You're gonna probably break something eventually. And so this is a really good reason why you never ever go alone.
Even though we had a few friends have mechanical issues, it didn't stop the shenanigans. Would this be the last of our issues? That would be a negative.
So I hope you like this video on what to do if your tire comes off its bead while off-roading. If you did like this video, smash the like button, click the like button, you know, inadvertently tap the like button while bouncing around in your Jeep. Do something with the like button, and don't forget to subscribe.